I'm back. Hey everyone, I'm Jess M, owner and founder of The Market Made, a design and content company. Welcome to my channel. It has been a very crazy 6 months. I took a little bit of a hiatus. I know some of you follow me on YouTube, but if you don't follow me on social media, I've been pretty busy. So if you don't know why I took much of a break because you don't follow me on social media, let's get right into it. The highs and lows of my 6 months and starting this business. It's been a long road. I'm going to break it down into 3 topics of discussion: how it started, how it went, and how's it going now. Stay with me. And don't forget to subscribe to the Market Made channel and like all the things. Thank you. So, how it started. I actually started my business in July/August of 2020. I lost my job due to being high risk for COVID, and I started a business. Voila. I actually started off with doing home improvements, and it sort of manifested from there of me creating my YouTube channel, trying to grow on social media. I was trying to check all the boxes of being a content creator. And it was not great. I did not grow on social media at all. I barely could grow my YouTube channel. Fun fact, I've gained more subscribers in the 6-month hiatus than I did actually trying on my YouTube channel. Yeah. But keep in mind, I actually rebranded an old business. I had a bridal boutique that I did custom wedding gifts and presents for people. So I actually did not know this, but when I rebranded on a lot of my social media pages, I lost all my reviews, all of them. Very unfortunate. And when I was doing the rebranding process, I was pretty much going into a new industry I didn't know anything about, and I've been learning on the fly. So in the beginning, it was very rewarding to me, even though it was challenging and I struggled a lot and I failed a lot. I found that I learned new skills, but also I realized I had a lot of weaknesses that I needed to hire out. Let's just say I'm not great at video editing or talking in front of a camera, and I needed instruction. Thanks, Dan. Additionally, all of my businesses and all my dreams, I've always had these really big, lofty goals for myself and for my company, like crazy high expectations. I know they're crazy, and I know they're not achievable for many in this lifetime, but I'm gonna do it. That's it. That's done. Manifesting that shit. But the big thing with having so many lofty goals, I had a lot of people telling me to niche down and just pick one thing, pick one item, pick one type of home improvement. And honestly, that's not me. All the professionals tell you to niche down. That's not how I work. That is never how I worked. And niching down isn't my thing. I'm multifaceted. It is what it is. So that is a hopefully brief recap of how it started. All right, let's talk about how it went, which was not great. After failing on, after sort of failing on YouTube and especially social media, I needed to figure out a way to make sales. I did join TikTok and saw some growth there, but I've never seen a sale from TikTok. So I had to really research and buckle down on different ways to make money with my business. It was a thing. Even though I still wanted to make helpful, fun, entertaining, educational content about home improvement, DIYs, my products, stuff like that, helping other small businesses, I really needed to figure out a way to actually see financial growth, not just brand growth. But I also realized that I'm not great in front of the camera and I needed a better team to support me. I finally decided to hire a video editor, Dan the Man. He is really helping me with coaching me and also with the video editing to get the right feel that I need for my brand and the type of content I want to deliver to you. Since I wasn't seeing the right type of growth, I really needed to sit down and focus on my personal strengths and weaknesses. Strengths being working really well with one-on-one with customers, weaknesses being recording, being in front of a camera, taking pictures, taking videos, cameras, videos, lighting, everything that has to do with content strategy, not my jam. Yeah, I'm very bad at it. Which is why I hired Dan, and the last 6 months, I've really been trying to focus on that. But the main part is recognizing my biggest strength, which is working one-on-one with customers. So I changed my strategy from content to direct to consumer sales. So basically what that means is I tried to get my product in front of people, and I did that by going to art and craft shows. That's what that means. But let me tell you, I was rejected from most of them. It's a thing. Except thankfully I got into the Great Lakes Market in the Tri-City area in Michigan, which is actually my hometown, free room and board. My mom also was a free employee. loved it. But let me reiterate the struggles of owning a business is that normally you aren't profitable for 2 to 3 years, and you really struggle that first year, and that's when most businesses fail. So it was a struggle, but I didn't fail. My first unofficial event, I made $30. My first official event, I made maybe 100, maybe more than 100, but it was around 100, which by the way, is not good. Then my third show, I somehow made, I think it was just under 1,000. So yes, it was just a little bit under 1,000, but because I finally saw like a profit, I couldn't pay myself still, but I saw something. It finally felt like I could breathe and I was doing something right. So it really took a while for me to even feel remotely good about my business and myself. And I think one of the worst parts is that I did have a lot of family and friends who supported me, but it was still less than what you always expect. And I had more strangers that I connected with on TikTok and Pinterest and other social media, or like the vendors at the art and craft shows who really like lifted me up, encouraged me, and supported me. And it was very humbling, and I'm very blessed to have those experiences and those people in my life. But I digress. Let's continue to how it's going, which is a lot better. Still can't pay myself, but it's a lot better. It's going so well that we actually have to make more space in our house, which we couldn't really do. So we actually had to buy a new house because that's a lot of stuff. And that doesn't include my power tools in the basement or my office supplies and printers in the attic. So yes, it is going a lot better than how it started. I started off with 4 art and craft shows. I've added more to my event calendar list for this year, and I am going to be going to even more next year. Plus, I've had so many great times with my mom and my Aunt Margie, both helping me. Jeff helped me once, but then he retired from it. He did not enjoy it. And I've met so many amazing vendors that have been so supportive. And I've added a business partner who I am collaborating with, alongside having some really amazing customers and customer experiences through this whole thing. It has been an exhausting and very rewarding experience. Additionally, I'm actually starting to realize what I want to focus on in my business and where to focus on in my business. And with my art and craft season coming to an end, I get to start making content for you. Yes. If you have any comments or questions about my traveling and my vacations and like where I've been, you can always follow me on social media, Instagram or TikTok, or you can comment below and I will try to get back to you about it. I hope you enjoyed this recap of why I've been gone for 6 months on my like mini hiatus from my YouTube channel. It's been a very busy time for me between vacations and traveling for art and craft shows, collaborating with my business partner, plus my video editor was also really busy during this time, so we decided to take a break. But we're back and we have from now until the end of December scheduled out. So you will see me back here every 2 weeks. I will be having a lot of short videos of DIY, but also some home improvements for you. And if you like DIYs, home improvements, lifestyle, business, decor, make sure you subscribe to the Market Made channel and give this video a thumbs up. That'd be very nice of you. And as always, thank you for tuning in. I hope you have an amazing day. Welcome back and bye.